the very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and had a nightmare. That door is opening once again. This time, it's opening for you. Discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror. But when we come back, those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of